Good morning, 8th class students. Myself, Miss Deepti from Dips Scrollbug, and welcome to your social science class. In today's lecture, we are going to do the back exercise of SPL Chapter 7, role of the government and the growth of the country. And let's start. The first of all is the new terms of this chapter. There are three new terms in the chapter. That is, first of all is the planning commission. Planning commission is an institution set up for the planning of for the bright future of the country. Number two is the Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog is replaced the planning commission and the oversees government policies and their implementation. Third is Rozgar Yojana. It means employment scheme, means a scheme which provide employment to the unemployed peoples, educated unemployed peoples. So part back exercise is there, and first part is the say true or false is there. And first, India is the second fastest growing in growing economy. It's a true statement. Yes, India is the second largest growing economy in the world. Second largest. Second, Indian Airport Authority of India was set up to link the whole of the India by roadways. It's a false statement. Why? Because Indian Airport Authority is linked up with the airport. Upliftment of airport, construction of airport is there. Whereas for the set up a link in the whole of the whole India by roadways is the work done by the National Highway Authority. Take care by the National Highway Authority. In short, we can say NHA. Third is Indian Railway is the largest railway network in the world. It's a false statement. Why? Because Indian Railway is the one of the largest. It's one of the largest railway network in the world. Fourth is there has been 6 5-year plans so far. It's a false statement because there are 5-year plans so far. So that is why it's a wrong statement. Fifth is in India, only the public sector offer the telecommunication services. It's a false statement because in India, both public and private sectors both provide telecommunication services. For example, MTN, NL or BSNL is the public sector service service provider, whereas Airtel, BSNL, Airtel, Geo, uh, uh, Vodafone, etc. are there. They are the private sector telecommunication service provider. So that is why in India both public and private both are the telecommunication service provider. Next is the MCQ and tick the correct answer. The first is the Planning Commission of India prepared plans generally for 1 year, 3 year, 4 year, or 5 year. Correct answer is the 5 year. Uh, the second is land for big jamidar from big jamidars has been taken and distributed among small jamidars, landless farmers, industrialists, or farmhouses. So correct answer is the land from big jamidars has been taken and distributed among the landless farmers. So it for in agriculture, for the development of agriculture, we have done this thing. Okay, the taken lands from the jamidars, and we have distributed it to the landless farmers so they can uh, uh, grow crops and prosperity will be there in them. Third, integrated rural development program means IRDP is aimed at the development of town people, city people, migrators, or rural peoples. The correct answer is IRDP is aimed to add the development of rural peoples, and they help in the development of the rural peoples. IRDP. Next is which is of the following is a public sector company? NTPC, Aircel or Tesco. NCPC means Indian Thermal Power Corporation, whereas Tesco means Tata Iron and Steel Company. So the correct answer is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Fifth is, in India there are total of dash major ports: 18, 15, 10 or 12. Correct answer is 12. Among them is Mumbai, Vishakhapatnam, Kolkata, Madras, Chennai, sorry, Kandla, etc. These are the important terms for important ports in India, which is used for the import and export of the goods from India and from other countries. Next part C is the fill in the blanks. A new industrial policy was established in 1991. As we have read in industrialization, so where with many economic reforms, competition led to the expansion in the production of good consumer good. So this was the government policy. In 1991 गवर्नमेंट हैज़ चेंज इट्स पॉलिसी इन इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड कंज्यूमर गुड्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देने के लिए किया गया था इस पॉलिसी के अकॉर्डिंग. So next is the golden quadrilateral joins the Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. So golden quadrilateral क्या है? It's a road which connect these four metropolitan cities of India, that is in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. These four metropolitan cities have importance in the economic growth as well as in the political scenario is there. Third is, India is the dash largest economy in the world. Yes, India is the second largest economy in the world. Fourth, under dash 11,000 crores is provided to improve the quality of education. Answer is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. So in under the सर्व शिक्षा अभियान बच्चों को एजुकेशन के साथ साथ में उनको उनकी बेसिक चीज़ें भी प्रोवाइड करने का किया गया था गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, कि भी उनको बुक्स प्रोवाइड की गई, उनको स्टेशनरी प्रोवाइड की जाती है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, बैग्स, यूनिफॉर्म, एवरीथिंग इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, सो डैट कि बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के ऊपर ये प्रेशर, गरीब पेरेंट्स के ऊपर ये बच्चों की पढ़ाई का बोझ ना आ सके. तो ये सर्व शिक्षा अभियान के थ्रू इन बच्चों को ये सब चीज़ें प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. So these are the back exercise of this chapter. In next lecture we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. As so take care, stay home, stay healthy and see you soon.